This home offers so much privacy, yet just minutes from downtown Missoula. We are at 2006 Raymond Avenue, up the Rattlesnake in Missoula, Montana. This home is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,040 square feet with an oversized detached 2-car garage, insulated and heated. It's a lovely place. I'm so excited to share this with you. Let's take a look. That wraps up our tour today here at 2006 Raymond Avenue, up the Rattlesnake in Missoula, Montana. For more information on this beautiful home, give me a call. I'm Dawn Maddox with Engel & Bokers, 406-550-4131. Thank you.